Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss the qualities of an auditor. So what are the qualities that an auditor should have? So first one is the auditor should be well versed in all the fundamental principles and all the branches of accounting. So there are many branches of accounting like cost accounting, income tax, general accounting, financial accounting. So from all these various branches of auditing, he should be well versed. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜನರಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So he should not pass a transaction unless he knows it is correct. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಸೋವರೆಗೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವನು ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ he should know whether in order to know whether the transaction is properly recorded or not, he should be well versed with the principles of accounting. Next, he should be able to grasp quickly the technical aspects of business. So by seeing the various books of accounts maintaining by the organization, so he should get to know the technical details of the business. Technical details ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಬೇಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ he should visit the client's place. ಸೊ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವನು ಆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, he should be prepared to seek elucidation and technical questions rather than showing a false pride. So suppose there are doubts bantu, if we get certain doubts and queries, he should ask the questions to the proper authority and get the clarification for that. Simply he should not give the false statements. Next, he should know the company laws and mercantile laws, and even he should master in the principles of auditing. So he should know various business regulations, business laws, IT laws, all different kinds of laws he should be aware, and he should have mastered in the principles of auditing. Next, he must be prepared to resign rather than sign in the balance sheet. So he should prepare, or he should examine the balance sheet so that the balance sheet should project a fair and true report. So it should not be a false report. So what happens? So he must be prepared to resign. Means, suppose if a company forces him to sign for the balance sheet, he should not sign. He should resign. Means he should object from doing so because it is his duty to make sure that the balance sheet which is prepared projects the true and fair view of the organization. So he should not sign the false report. Next, he should not disclose the secrets of its client. So what happens? He will be doing 2 to 3 organizations of auditing. So the secrets of one organization should not be told to another organization. So he should maintain the confidentiality of the auditing. So confidentiality should be maintained. Next, he should put the intelligent questions to extract full information. So he should tackle with the question such a way that he should indirectly trap the organization to reveal the exact information. ತುಂಬಾ ಚಾಲು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೊಂದು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, he should not adopt an attitude of suspicion. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಆಡಿಟರ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ he should not overlook, ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸಸ್ಪಿಷಿಯಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. He should be prepared to hear arguments and must be reasonable. So if the client business or the accountant, if they're giving any explanation or any information, the auditor must be prepared to hear the arguments. He must be vigilant, cautious, and methodical and accurate. So he should be cautious while auditing the books of organization. He should not miss out any transaction. He should not show any kinds of negligence. He should be very much cautious. With utmost caution, he should audit the books of accounts of the organization. Next, he should have the ability to write the report clearly, concisely, and not forcefully. Means the report should be very clear. It should speak about the exact financial position of the organization. Whosoever reads the report, they should be able to understand properly. So his report should be such a way. Then he should even know the general principles of economics. So whatever the principles of economics are there, he should have the understanding of all those things. Next, he should have thorough training in business organization, management, and finance areas. So he should have the experience in the management, the finance field, as well as business organization field. So he should have expertise in all these areas. Next, but last but not the least, that's the basic thing. He should have a common sense. He should not ask silly questions to the organization. The question should be of what do you say? It should be something weightage should be there in the questions, whatever he asks. So he should have common sense. Based on his common sense, he should ask the questions. This was all about the qualities of the auditor. In my next video, I'll come back with the steps in commencement of audit.